In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this fun holiday look. I love a dark lip, so let's just get started. Before I start my makeup, I'm going to apply this Stardust mask. I like doing masks before like a big event or whatever it is, just because my makeup applies so much better. And this face mask really got off it just felt like it sucked everything out my face, including the hair. But anyway, I'm going to apply this Radiance primer and then I'm going to go straight into my eyes. So I'm using this Wet n Wild palette. It's very pigmented. Wet n Wild has one of the best drugstore eyeshadows. I'm taking this transition shade. It's actually labeled transition on this Wet n Wild palette. And yeah, just using that as my transition. And then I'm going to go in to deepen my crease with the brown shade from that same palette. So next I'm taking the copper shade from that same palette and just using a small shader brush to apply it. I like using a brush this small because I feel like I have more control, and the color is usually a little bit more pigmented than if I were to use like a larger brush. Plus I have small lids. So I'm just putting that all over my lid, and then I applied that gold color in my inner corner. And then for the bottom of my eyes, I just use that brown shade to kind of line my lids, and then I use the transition shade to smoke it out. And by the way, all these products can be found at CVS. CVS has everything you need to create the perfect holiday look, and also you can buy your friends and family makeup since the holidays are coming up. CVS actually has one of the best rewards programs. For every $30 you spend, you do get $3 in extra bucks, so you can get something for yourself as well. And if you are new, you'll get a 10% off shopping pass after enrollment. For liner, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This is such a great eyeliner. If you haven't tried it yet, definitely try it. It's so black and it's easy to apply. For lashes, I'm going to be using the new magnetic lashes from Ardell. They're pretty easy to apply. It did take a little bit to get used to, but after 3 tries, I finally got how they worked. There's an upper and lower lash, and you apply it to the tweezers that come with it. That is also magnetic, and then you just clamp down and the lashes click together, so there's no glue involved. The idea is very, very simple, so try them out. Let me know what you guys think. And then for lips, I'm going to be using this liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild. This one is called Excellent. It's such a pretty deep reddish purple color. It's right up my alley for this time of year. I'm a sucker for like dark reds and purples. So this one is gorgeous. And it's very easy to apply. It's very comfortable on the lips. So if you've never checked out Wet n Wild lipsticks, definitely check them out because they're worth buying. To have a little bit of fun, I wanted to add this iridescent highlighter. It kind of reminds me of like a snow globe or maybe like an ornament. This isn't going to be everyone's cup of tea, but I thought it was a fun thing to add to the look. And then for nails, I used this Essie nail polish. Again, iridescent. It was like more on the silver glittery side. It was really, really pretty. And then I applied an Essie top coat. So that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a happy Thanksgiving and happy holidays to all of you. And I'll see you guys in my next video.